In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're a busy professional collaborating with a team or just need to send a document to a colleague, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. We will begin with your completed document open in Google Docs. Before sharing, it's always a good idea to give your document a final review, scrolling through to ensure all the content is correct and formatted as you wish. This particular method will focus on sending a static copy of the document via email directly from the Google Docs interface, which is perfect for when you don't want the recipient to edit the original file. First, to begin the process, navigate your cursor to the top left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This will reveal a comprehensive drop-down menu with many document management options. You'll see choices for creating new documents, opening existing ones, and making copies. For our purpose, we are interested in the sharing and distribution options. Next, in the File menu, move your cursor down to the Email option. Hovering over it will open a sub-menu. Here you have a few choices. Email Collaborators is useful for sending a message to everyone who already has access to the document. We are going to select the first option, Email this file, which allows you to send a copy of the document to anyone, even if they aren't collaborators. Go ahead and click on Email this file. The next step is to compose your email. A dialog box titled Email this file will appear on your screen. The first field is To, where you would type the email address of your recipient. The subject field is automatically populated with the document's title, but you can easily change it. In this example, the subject is changed from Untitled Document to Boss to make it more specific for the recipient. Now, you can add a personal message to provide context for the document you're sending. Click inside the message box and type your text. A clear and concise message helps the recipient understand the purpose of the email. For instance, a message like, "This is the copy of today's meeting," is informative and professional. You can also see an option to send yourself a copy, which is a good practice for keeping records. Below the message area, you'll find the File Type drop-down menu. This is a crucial feature. By default, it's often set to PDF, which is excellent for preserving the document's formatting and preventing edits. However, you can choose other formats depending on your needs. Selecting Microsoft Word sends a .docs file that the recipient can easily edit. Plain text removes all formatting. For this demonstration, we'll return to the PDF option. Finally, there is one more important option to consider. You can choose to send the file as an attachment, or you can check the box that says "Don't attach, include content in the email." If you select this, the entire content of your document will be pasted directly into the body of the email itself. This can be very convenient for recipients who want to read the content quickly without opening a separate file. Once you have made your selections, you would typically click the Send button. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to email a copy of your Google Doc. Since this is just a demonstration, we will click Cancel to close the window without sending. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.